Hey guys, welcome to my channel Betterman's Reel. Today I'm going to do a hair tutorial on a famous product of Hongkonghomebrew. This product is sent by Gary from Hong Kong, and he's a very renowned guy across the pomade community. This is not a paid review, and I purchased this product from Gary and I'll be doing this video.
Alright, first one is the pre-styling spray. Apply a few spray shots in damp hair to get stability, texture as well as lot of volume in the hair. Now start with the blow drying process. You need to make sure that hair should be blow dried from roots. At this moment, don't bother about shaping it though. You may choose the highest heat settings on the blow dryer, however I generally prefer medium speed and medium heat. Now I am moving the hair in the opposite direction to get even more volume and applying sort of flat wrap technique. It's time to move the hair in the natural direction where I wanted them to be and pulling it back carefully. I take another minute to pull it in sections because of my hair length, which is 5 to 5.5 at this moment. Finally, giving a cold blast for 30 to 50 seconds so that the hair follicles gets closed and lock the hairstyle. It's time to use the next product, that is styling clay. Apply the dime-sized amount initially from front to back or back to front, whichever way suits you. Start with small amounts and apply more if necessary. Now push it up and give a nice shape with fingers. It might take some time to be in place. You may choose to use combs to give it a nice and clean look. Finally, to finish it off, here's the final style.
So if you guys want to see these products or you want to try these products, so I'm providing the link down below. Give them a check out and I hope you like it. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down there and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the latest updates on the hair tutorial videos from Betterman's Reel. Do let me know if you want a specific product to be reviewed on my channel. So that's pretty much it from this video, and I'll see you next time with a new product, and I'll be sharing my experience with the pomade community and a lot of home brewers out there and how their products are coming up in future. See you guys.